In this tutorial, we'll take a look at live view in the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2.0 app and walk through the available viewing and control options. To access live view, simply double-tap any device from the home screen. This will open the camera list, where you'll see all available cameras. From here, you can double-tap any camera to begin live view, or tap the play icon to start live view for all cameras at once. To enter the traditional live view interface, double-tap any individual camera. This screen will look familiar to users of the original Alibi Vigilant Mobile app. When you tap anywhere on the screen, additional controls appear around the edges. These include configuration options, play and pause controls, audio enable and disable, and the multi-window layout button. You can choose a 4-window layout and swipe left or right to load the next set of cameras. Double-tap a camera to return to the previous view. You'll also see options for resolution and stream type. By default, the stream may be set to medium, but you can change it to high to view the camera at its highest resolution. The full screen button allows you to expand the camera view, and you can use a 2-finger pinch gesture to zoom in on areas of interest. Double tap again to return to the standard view. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll find options for live view, playback, and messages. Additional controls include multi-window viewing, alarm outputs, image and video settings for the selected camera, multi-window playback, and the broadcast option, which is used with compatible IP speakers. You'll also find the snapshot button, which allows you to capture an image, and the record button, which records live video. A recording indicator will appear in the top right corner while recording is active. The center blue button enables two-way audio if your camera supports it. To exit live view, tap the back arrow to return to the home screen. That concludes this overview of live view in the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 app. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and feature walkthroughs.